Welcome back to Nammanadatta digital platform. This is Rakesh V, basically a fourth year agri student. So we are here today to meet our chief guest called Gliricidia CPM. It is basically a tree legume. So it fixes nitrogen when we use it as a green manure crop, or we can use as an herbal rodenticide. So introducing it as an herbal rodenticide, we are in a new trend called we are shifting from conventional agriculture to organic agriculture. So in organic agriculture, we don't prefer to use chemical pesticide and insecticide. Those who are facing problems with rodenticides, now we are having a plan of using this Gliricidia as an herbal rodenticide. So preparing this rodenticide procedure goes like this: take some couple of leaves from this and also bark with it, and grind this well and cook this with maize or wheat or with rice. So cook for a while, and after cooking, spread this mixture along your bunds or along in the field. So it will uh, kill rodenticide and does not harm any other animals. And also when this tree flowers, so you can use that flowers also. It also act as a repellent. Basically this Gliricidia cpm act as an tree legume because it has a crude protein of 20 to 30%, and also digestibility for in cows or cattle farming it leads for 50 to 60% as per literature. So those who are interested in cattle farming and also sheep and goat rearing, they can use this Gliricidia as an fodder. Before you using directly immediately after cutting this fodder, please wilt this leaves per about 12 to 14 hours, and treat this fodder with salt and molasses so that it can be form a good appetite for cattle and also for sheep and goat. For this, there is one precaution: those who are rearing horses, they should not fed this Gliricidia cpm, because it is a little toxic for horses. And also this Gliricidia as a fodder should not be above 50% in milk, because it can be tainted after above the 50% of its ration. So it can be included as a good component of fodder. And as of planting goes of as of so basically Gliricidia cpm, how to plant this one and what are the climate and soil requirement of this crop means, when we talk about climate and soil, it is one of the most drought resistant plant, and it can thrive well in acidic conditions of pH varying from 4.5 and 5, where other crops can't even grow. So this is a better crop for choosing as a fodder crop because it has a good growth. And as we have said, this plant is a wonder crop because it is very resistant for multi cuttings, and also can be very beneficial because it is very less prone to silid insect attack when compared with subabul. The Gliricidia requires open condition for good growth, and when growth is poor under shaded condition. However, it can be grown in mature coconut gardens where it is persistent and highly productive. When it's come to establishment, how do we propagate? So basically we can go for seeds, we can go for stem cuttings and also stakes. So when we go for seeds, germination starts from 7 to 8 days, and it will be for up to 6 weeks it will be a slow germination. After that it can reach up to 4 meters apart. And as of Gliricidia planting goes, it can be used for live fences and also for hedgerow and also alley cropping. And spacing will also varies from different purposes. When we go for live fencing, the spacing will generally recommended is 25 centimeter from plant to plant. When we go for fodder purpose, the row to row distance should be 100 centimeter, and plant to plant it should be 10 to 20 centimeter. And also when we go for alley cropping, generally the contours will be 5 to 6 meter apart, and the planting space will be 10 to 20 centimeter generally. Okay. And when we are going for multiple choppings, that is cuttings, you should be very careful when it is rainy, because after cuttings there may be very fungal attack due to a deposition of water on the cuttings when you are cutting very vigorously during rainy season. So please be careful in this regard. One way to overcome the older shoot remaining deciduous is by lopping the plant 3 to 4 months before the onset of dry season. So emerging new shoots then grow and produce young and succulent and green branches during the dry season. And in the rainy season, the branches can be cut at an interval of 1.5 to 3 months. See, this Gliricidia plant long been has been used as a shade tree in cocoa tree, tea, coffee, and also vanilla, and also in coconut basins, because the off life period of this leaf manure of this Gliricidia is about only 20 days. That means it has very good decomposable capacity, and also it degrades very fast. So it has also been used as a green manure crop. When we use this Gliricidia as a green manure crop, it can fix up to 150 to 200 kg of nitrogen per hectare. Those who are very interested in organic farming, they can reduce their cost, and they can't use urea, so they can use this Gliricidia as a green manure crop. Thank you. For more videos, please like and subscribe.